Let's talk about the backbone of your productivity toolkit, recurring tasks. These are the tasks that keep your regular responsibilities on track and prevent major catastrophes through consistent maintenance. What exactly is a recurring task? It's a task that you capture once, but it surfaces repeatedly at a set interval. This could be daily, weekly, monthly, or any other interval that makes sense for the work. The beauty of recurring tasks is that you only have to think about capturing them that one time, but they keep showing up when you need them, saving time and mental energy. Under the hood, recurring tasks are pretty simple. They have all the same requirements as a regular task, a clear action verb, scheduled date, etc. But they also include some extra metadata that tells your system when the next instance should occur. Most task apps make this super easy, like letting you type every Monday to set up a weekly recurrence. Now, what kind of things should you capture as recurring tasks? I like to think of three main categories: reminders, maintenance, and preventative tasks. Reminders are those little things that are important but easy to forget, like putting out the trash or paying a bill. Capturing them as recurring tasks ensures that they don't slip through the cracks. Maintenance tasks are about keeping your work and workflows running smoothly. This could be reviewing an active project, making sure a procedure or template is still up to date, or checking the next couple of weeks on your calendar to be sure no work is sneaking up on you. Preventative tasks are like an insurance policy against future problems. Things like checking your car's oil level or backing up your computer. A little effort now can save you from a major headache later. You might be thinking, do I need to capture everything as a recurring task? No, you don't. If something's a fully ingrained habit like brushing your teeth, you don't really need a reminder for that. Same goes for tasks that have an obvious external cue like mowing the lawn when the grass gets high. When you're setting up recurring tasks, here's a pro tip. Think outside the bounds of typical calendar units. Sure, some tasks need to happen every week or month, but others might work better on a 10-day or a 5-week cycle or a 7-week cycle or a 13-day cycle. This can help prevent too many tasks from piling up on the same days, and it lets you optimize the interval for the type of work. What does the work require the length of that cycle to be? The real power of recurring tasks is what I call thinking little. Instead of getting overwhelmed by big abstract systems, focus on these small, concrete actions that move you forward. By capturing these little bits of work and doing them consistently, the big stuff tends to fall into place. So here's my challenge to you. Look at your work and life and see if you can capture at least 25 recurring tasks. Over time, these little recurring actions will weave together into a rich tapestry of productivity. But they won't overwhelm you because they only surface when you need to see them, not all at once. That is the power of recurring tasks. If you want to learn more about this and other productivity strategies, check out my book, The Rhythms of Productivity, available on Amazon.